How to fix Google Pay app not showing in App Store on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your App Store. Now, head towards this option of Today given at the bottom left corner. Now click on the profile icon given at the top right corner. Click on your Apple ID given at the very top. Different options will appear. Click on the option of country or region. Click on the option Change Country or Region. With that, you're gonna find the list of the country. Set it to United States. Once you set it to United States, click on the option of Agree. Now fill up this, provide your payment method, billing name, and billing address. Then click on Next. After you set this, now you can click on the search icon. In the search box, type in Google Pay and then search for it. App will appear. Now I can install it. So this way you can easily fix Google Pay app not showing in App Store on iPhone. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.